Gold, we had amazing trade, guys. We've been short on gold and from here, from this level, because we have this impulsive reaction, we have this correction, and we were expecting a short. So we've been holding a short from here, guys. So we've been taking all these pullback. This is this final first target. This is the final target, and price nicely hit to the first target, squeeze some profit. We also had a counter long trade here. Now let me share with you guys how we analyze the intraday entries for all these short trades and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit on gold. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. Hello, trader. Today is the last trading day of the week, 27th of June 2025. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. Overall, today market was very slow. We have seen consolidation, but we managed very decent profit, especially trading on gold. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market today. Let's look at the analysis. All right, guys, if you look at the pound dollar, we had amazing trade, guys, this week. If you're following my analysis since Monday, we've been taking all this long. You can watch all of my analysis review on the YouTube. So today, as you have seen, we have experienced consolidation. We haven't seen any big moves. We only had this short trade when the price is nicely broken, and that's the only trade we had it on pound dollar. Now, let me share with you guys how we analyze this analysis in intraday. That was a pretty straightforward. We had this beautiful short trade here, and this after these short trade, we have this confirmation. That was the beautiful. You can see a price nicely broken. After that, we had a beautiful short trade squeeze, amazing profit on pound dollar. That's the only trade we had it. As you have seen, we haven't seen any big volume. All right, so if you look at the pound yen, even pound yen, we haven't seen any volatility in the market, as you can see here. We were expecting price might gonna break above this previous high, but price refused. So we have consolidation. Even this consolidation, we squeeze very decent profit being an intraday trader. Now, let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit. So we had a beautiful long trade here in the morning. That was we were expecting a price nicely developed falling wedge, beautiful breakout, hit to the previous high, squeeze amazing profit. And afterwards, we have another beautiful long trade here. That was a pretty straightforward. Once the price broken, after that, price retest, give us the confirmation. But if you see the price repeatedly respecting this level, and I said to my trader, consider banking some profit. Let's wait for the price to break this structure and look for the opportunity. So after that, we had a beautiful short trade here. That was the last trade we had it, which is a pretty straightforward price develop. And as I explained, my trader, look at here, sort of price develop head and shoulder pattern, high probability, price nicely broken low, and give us the confirmation. You can see impulsive correction. So high probability, momentum was bearish. So that was a beautiful short trade, hit to the profit target and squeeze amazing profit on pound yen. So that's the only trades we had it on pound yen. And if you look at the, okay, so before that, let me share with you guys the gold trade here before I go to the Euro USD. Okay, let's look at the Euro USD first. Only I think it's only one or two trade we had it. So this morning we were expecting price might gonna break this one. So we had this beautiful breakout long trade here. Afterwards, price nicely reversed, and we also had a very small short trade here, and it's still holding it. Let's see how that's gonna go. And if you look at the Euro USD now, we had beautiful long trade this morning. That was a beautiful. You can see a price nicely broken previously, and then retest price repeatedly respect. So momentum was bullish, hit to the profit target, bank some profit, and afterwards we were waiting for the price reaction. You can see here the price develop another beautiful breakout. Pretty straightforward. We have this impulsive reaction, correction, and beautiful breakout short trade. Squeeze very decent profit and still holding short on Euro USD. All right, let's look at the gold. Gold, we had amazing trade, guys. We've been short on gold and from here, from this level, because we have this impulsive reaction, we have this correction, and we were expecting a short. So we've been holding a short from here, guys. So we've been taking all these pullback. This is this final first target. This is the final target. and price nicely hit to the first target, squeeze some profit. We also had a counter long trade here. Now let me share with you guys how we analyze the intraday entries for all the short trades and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit on gold. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. So gold, if you look at here, we had a lot of analysis because it's a highly volatile instrument. We can see here, this is a beautiful short trade, squeeze amazing profit, price develop a head and shoulder pattern, squeeze amazing profit. That was a beautiful trade we had at short trade. Then we have another beautiful short trade, squeeze amazing profit on this one. And then we had another beautiful short trade, guys. Let me show you guys. We have this short trade here. That was a pretty straightforward, beautiful breakout, squeeze amazing profit. Then we have another beautiful short trade, pretty straightforward, price refuse, double top here, broken the recent low and retest. Beautiful, squeeze amazing profit on gold. Then we had another beautiful short trade here. We had a really amazing trade, guys. Squeeze amazing profit on gold. So we have another beautiful short trade here. That was a beautiful short trade. This is the last short trade we had it. As you can see here, the price nicely broken after the breakout. Price to give us the confirmation. Another short trade, squeeze amazing profit on gold. And afterwards, once the price hit, we also had a counter long trade here. So you can see a beautiful price nicely broken, beautiful hit to the target. And then we had the last long trade here. This was the last long trade, squeeze amazing profit. We had amazing trade, guys, today on gold, especially gold, and we really enjoyed it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. And if you want to see those analyses in real time, most welcome. Join our fast-growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day and have a nice weekend, guys. Until next time, all the best.